Good day and welcome to another wonderful episode of Creative Talk. My name is Francis A. Kings and today we shall be discussing sound in filmmaking. Sound is a vibration or wave frequency that we can hear. Sound is very important in filmmaking in the sense that it is what complements any visual you are seeing on the screen. What influences people mostly in this world is sight and sound. Have you heard the phrase, "We feel what we hear"? I wonder why so many content creators will neglect this very important part while they are creating their content. Probably because of budget or because of lack of knowledge about this very important part of filmmaking. You need to budget for good sound just the way you're budgeting for good video quality. The excitement and realism in any piece of film is created by a good sound. Sound is essential in filmmaking and content creation because it is what complements the visual storytelling of that content. It is the sweetening ingredients in any visuals at all. If you have ever watched a silent movie before, you will understand the benefit of not just having a sound but a good sound in any kind of visual content. Your sound should be able to tell a story even when the visuals is not there. Just imagine you hearing the voice of somebody you love. That is how you feel when you have a good sound in any kind of visual content. These are the kind of sound you ought to hear in any kind of visual content or film. 1. Human voices. 2. Soundtrack or music. 3. Is sound effects. As a content creator, always know that a good sound enhances storytelling. A good sound evokes emotional response in an audience. It is what creates the sense of continuity in every film. It is what sets the tone of a particular film or any kind of visual content. Without a good sound, the audience will not feel the full impact of a particular piece of movie. And I bet you, so many informations will be missing from that movie or visual content if there is no sound at all. And when it comes to creating full audience experience, sound is even more important. Sound is even more crucial than the video quality. Always remember that a good sound does not just help the content creator, it also helps the audience who are watching that particular piece of film or content. As a content creator, always know your content, know your sound, and know when to use this sound in your content. And I bet you will always have a fantastic visual content. Stay tuned on our next episode of Creative Talk. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and bye for now.